Tranquility, peace, calmness, excitement, adventure, discovery. Mental health benefits, a sense of purpose, a valid excuse to get outdoors. These are things flying a drone can give you. These are some of the reasons why I love it, why we all love it. Ask any drone enthusiast, they will tell you the same. There are so many advantages to this hobby. We do this because it brings joy. Joy to the pilot, joy for the viewer. Watch a TV show or movie made in the last 5 years, there will probably be drone footage in it. A fleeting glimpse, a longer, wider shot. Sometimes obvious, sometimes unnoticed. These flying cameras have revolutionized filmmaking. I enjoy the whole process of making a drone video. Choose the location, set up the subject, pick the shots, fly the drone and shoot the video, edit it, upload it to my channel, and hope that people will enjoy watching it as much as I did making it. Thanks to everyone who supports my channel. Gaz, from Pedals and Propellers.